Hello, this is Tom Psillas with WearCo.com, and this topic is for customers of WearCo. You'll never request quotes again, except for custom work like large projects. The reason I'm saying that is, too many people they go to like Angie's List, which I'm gonna tell you the horror story, associated with that. If you ever put in a request for a quote for replace a toilet, you're going to get 20 guys calling you, okay? Because they sell the leads, your lead. They sell you to 20 service providers, well, not me, but like our service providers. And then you have to pay $50 a lead, for a guy to replace a toilet. Guess what? By the time the leads get spread out to everybody, your information, you're going to be getting calls for 3 weeks from these guys. Okay, and you can't blame them. They paid $50 for the lead. They want to talk to the customer that requested the lead. Well, guess what? That lead is already a week old by the time you already got somebody to replace the toilet. Meantime, you're getting calls 3 weeks later. That's because they're selling the leads up to 20 to 30 times. They own like 10 companies that they own. Craft Jack is one, Home Advisor, Angie List, and they got about 5 other companies, I think. So, and they claim that they only sell it 5 times the lead, yet true within that same company, but then they sell it to their sister companies. Meantime, you're getting calls 3 weeks to a month later. That's ridiculous. So, for those kind of services, you don't need to be requesting a quote. Don't request a quote for replacing a toilet. I'm just telling you. You're going to get bombarded with calls for up to a month, and it's ridiculous. Come to WearCo.com or a site like us. I don't think there's anyone out there that does what we do, but I'm sure there will be soon. What you do is you come to our site. You pick the service you want. You click on handyman, for example, and you can have furniture assembly done. Okay, you need a desk assembly you bought from IKEA. You call us, we'll even pick it up from IKEA for you. We'll bring it delivered to your house for $75 more. Yeah, it seems a little pricey, but we have as low as $50. It depends. It depends on the distance and all that. Anyway, but the point I'm making is use WearCo.com. You're going to be much more satisfied. You can see the service. You see what we do, what's entailed. It tells you all the requirements, if there's any. Then we basically, the service provider comes out and does the job, and well, you're going to select the appointment obviously first. You're going to pay for it, and boom, you're done. You get a receipt. They're going to call you to confirm, and you're all set to go. I mean, no more of this bullshit of having to request a quote. That's for the birds. Okay, don't do that anymore. If you need a deck built, something like that, that's a different story. Okay, but just be prepared to get a lot of calls. Our guys won't, if you go through us and leave a request, you won't get that many calls. You'll get maybe 1 or 2 calls because we only sell the lead 3 times in total. We don't sell it to sister companies. We don't do that crap. So, as a service to our existing handymen, that's what we do. We give them the leads for free. We don't charge them even because we want them to, I want them to be busy with the services that we have. Okay, so keep that in mind. Use WearCo, you'll be much happier, I promise you. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and we hope to see you on the site. Thank you.